electronic claims submission system on the Steel Dealer Hub, you can now submit all your reimbursement requests quickly and easily in one place. Whether you're filing promotional rebates, ProFleet program claims, bid assistance, or co-op marketing requests, the process is streamlined to save you time. You'll also be able to see real-time updates on every active claim, giving you clear visibility into the status of your submissions whenever you need it. This video will take you through the basics of the claim submission process. Let's get started. To access the claims section, sign into your account on the Steel Dealer Hub, and then select the Steel Claims link from the navigation menu. The first page that loads is the Claims dashboard, which will show you all your existing claims. This is where you can go to check back on any claims you've entered in the past. Of course, if this is your first time using the claim system, these tables will be empty, but as you create claims, you will see them here. Each claim has a unique claim ID, as well as a custom reference number that is set by you, as well as metadata about the claim including creation date, status, and the last time the claim was updated. Claims are sorted by update date, so claims that have changed recently will always appear at the top of your list. This section also features a search bar that you can use to filter the claims shown by claim number or your reference number. For now, we can start a new claim by clicking on the Create a New Claim link. Creating a claim is a multi-step process, and the first decision is the type of claim you would like to enter. The choices are rebate, bid assist, ProFleet, and advertising co-op claims. Depending on the option you choose, the form will change to accommodate the requirements for that type of claim. For now, let's pick a rebate claim, which is used to request compensation for free goods offered due to a promotion, like a free battery given with a qualifying purchase. Regardless of the type of claim you choose, we offer the opportunity to set your own reference number, which is a free text field you can use to include an internal invoice number or other meaningful information that you can use to identify this claim later. Next, we enter the serial and material number of the item that was given to the customer. If you've entered a valid material number, you will see the description and MSRP for that item appear. If you have more items, you can click the Add Line button to insert more lines. When you're finished, click Next to proceed. When you click Next, the basic information you've provided will create a draft claim. At this point, you can leave this page and return at a later date, and the information you entered will be saved. Don't worry, the claim won't be processed until you decide to submit it. You will see Status Draft in the upper right corner to let you know that your claim is not submitted. While in the draft view, you can edit any of the information you previously entered, add more lines, or even delete lines you've created in error using the X icon beside each line. Below, you will see an attachments section where you can upload your supporting documentation, such as the invoice you provided to the customer. Each claim requires at least one piece of supporting documentation before it can be submitted. In this case, I will attach the bill of sale that shows the serial number of the free good, as well as the qualifying units that met the requirements for this rebate. The page will refresh and you will see the document has been added to the claim. Of course, if you added a document in error, you could use the X icon to remove the attachment. When you're satisfied with the claim you've created, the last step is to click on the Submit Claim button. Once this is done, the claim will be read only and be sent to Steel Limited for review. In the meantime, you'll be returned to the Claims dashboard, where you will see that the claim's status has changed from draft to submitted. You can always return here to view the status of your claim, but for the time being, there is nothing left to do. Submitted claims will be reviewed by staff at Steel Limited, who can take one of three actions. Approve the claim. This moves the claim forward in our system, which will generate a credit to be applied to your account automatically. This credit can take 3 to 5 business days to be created and will appear in the Invoices and Credit Notes section in the B2B system. Return the claim. If Steel staff believe you need to make amendments or add additional information, they may return the claim to you, along with an explanation. The claim's status will change to returned and will become editable by you once more. Inside the claim, you will see a short message provided by our staff explaining the reason for the returned claim. You can make the changes and then resubmit the claim later. Reject the claim. If for some reason your claim is not acceptable, and there is no possibility of corrective action. The claim may be rejected. The claim will not be processed further, but an explanation will be provided. A claim that has been approved or rejected will move from the open claims table into the closed claims table in the claims dashboard. They will remain there for historical purposes, but will not be editable. Any change in a claim's state will also generate a notification email that will be sent to the email address belonging to the user who submitted the claim. The other claim types follow a similar process but may vary slightly. For example, Bid Assist and ProFleet claims also allow you to add non-serialized accessories in addition to the serialized units, and the Co-op advertising claim provides fields for you to include invoices with an expected run date and cost fields. And that's a quick look at our new electronic claim submission process. Note that all new claims are expected to be submitted through this new system, and the redemptions@steel.ca email address used in the past will no longer be an acceptable option for submitting claims. Thanks for joining us.